Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Navaratri Series 5. Coming to a third type of a Navaratri. Navaratri means Nava means 9 and Ratri means night. Is one of the most sacred Hindu festival. It is 9 night spiritual observation dedicated to the worship of the Divine Mother Shakti, who removes negativity, grants wisdom, strength, prosperity, and spiritual liberation. Then why we are celebrating the Navaratri? So Navaratri celebrates the victory of goddesses Durga over the demon Mahishasura, symbolizing good triumphing over evil and knowledge overcome ignorance and dharma prevailing over adharma. Third type of a Navaratri we are celebrating in 3 phases. These 9 days are divided into a 3 sets. So first 3 days preaching to the Durga. So Durga is the removal of negativity, fear and obstacles and represent strength and courage. Then coming 3 days, goddesses Lakshmi bestower prosperity, abundance, health and inner virtue. Represent wealth and spiritual richness. And coming to last 3 days, the seekers seeks the goddesses Saraswati. Grants wisdom, knowledge, creativity and learning. Represent enlightenment and divine knowledge. We can see now important practices during Navaratri. Chanting Durga mantra and Durga stotram and reciting the Durga Saptashati, Devi Mahatyam and perform Kumkum Archana and lightening a diya lamps, fasting according to one's capability, meditation and japa, reading scriptures and performing charities, worshipping young girls Kanya Puja in many traditions. According to Puranas, the goddesses Durga Devi took the different forms and associated with each day. The first form is Shailaputri. Shailaputri means daughter of the Himalayas. Its important is represent strength, stability and purity, remove fear and obstacles, bless devotees with a strong foundation for spiritual growth associated with the Mooladhara Chakra. Then coming to the second form, Brahmacharini. It means the goddesses of austerity and penance. The importance of this day is symbolizes discipline and devotion, inspire self-control and spiritual progress, help overcome difficulties through patience associated with the Swadhisthana Chakra. Then coming to the third day, Chandraghanta. It means the goddesses with a crescent moon shaped bell. The importance of this day is embodies courage and fearlessness, protects devotees from negative energies associated with the Mooladhara Chakra. Blessings with confident protection and inner strength. Then fourth day, Kushmanda. It means cosmic creator. Importance of this day is believed to have created the universe with her divine smile. Fill life with positive energy and vitality. Removes illness and negativity associated with the Anahata Chakra. On fifth day, Skanda Mata. It means mother of Lord Skanda, Kartikeya. The importance of this day is represent motherly love, compassion and protection, blesses children and families, encourages purity and devotion associated with the Vishuddha Chakra. On this day, blessings are family harmony, helping children and peace. On sixth day, Katyayini. It means the warrior of goddesses. Importance of this day is destroy evil and injustice, grants courage and victory, remove obstacles in marriages and relationships associated with the Agna Chakra. Blessings we can get success, bravery and truthfulness. On seventh day, goddesses Durga took the form of Kalaratri. It means the dark night of dissolution. Its importance is removes fear, black magic and negative energies, destroy ignorance and protects devotees associated with the Sahasrara Chakra. Eighth day, goddesses Durga Devi took the form of Mahagauri. It means the great radiant goddesses. Importance are symbolize purity, forgiveness and peace and cleanse past karmas and sins, grant peace and happiness, represent inner and outer purity. Blessings are harmony, prosperity, beauty and spiritual purification. Siddhidatri. It means bestower of divine perfections. Importance are grant spiritual power, wisdom and enlightenment. Completes the spiritual journey of Navaratri. Blessings, sincere devotees with divine grace and fulfillment, worshipping by gods, sages, and yogis. Success, wisdom, spiritual realization at the end got the liberation. And coming to the benefits of observing Navaratri, increases the devotion and spiritual growth, remove negativity, remove negative energy and obstacles, bring peace, courage, and confidence, improve focus, wisdom, and self discipline, invite health, prosperity, and divine grace, strengthen faith and inner transformation. At the end, we can say Navaratri is much more than a festival. It is opportunity for self-purification, devotion, and inner awakening. By sincerely worshipping the Divine Mother during these 9 days, devotees seeks her blessings for strength, prosperity, wisdom, and ultimately spiritual liberation. Coming series, we can see the other type of a Navaratri, that is Maghagupta Navaratri. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.